Assalamualaikum. My name is Afifi Besha and I am in group with Muhammad Izul, Zakari Yusof, and our title case titled Black Marline. Okay, for the introduction, the overview of Colregs is the Convention on the International Regulation for Preventing Collisions at Sea, which is Colregs, is a comprehensive set of rules designed to prevent collisions between vessels at sea. The purpose of Colregs is to ensure safety and smooth navigation for all type of vessels. The objective of our case study is to analyse a given maritime scenario and apply relevant Colregs rules to ensure compliance and safety. Okay, for the scenario overview, the vessel involved is Blue Star, which is a container ship at east at 16 knots. The second is Sea Horizon, which is a chemical tanker course on 000 knot at 14 knots. The situation is the crossing courses in open waters during daylight with good visibility. So Sea Horizon approach from Blue Star's starboard side. CPA less than 0.3 nautical miles. The key for the correct rules that we can use or applicable in this situation is first is rule 5, which is lookout or maintain proper lookout by airtight or in all available means. Okay, for the second rules is rule 6, which is safe speed. Safe speed is to proceed at a safe speed appropriate to conditions. Third is rule 7, risk of collision, which is to determine the risk of collision and take precautions. Okay, after that is rule 8. Rule 8 is action to avoid collision. Take positive, ample and effective action. For number 5, it is rule 13, which is overtaking. Overtaking vessel must keep clear. Other than that is rule 14, which is head-on situations. Power-driven vessels meeting head-on must alter course to starboard. The lastly is rule 15, which is crossing situations. Vessel with other on its starboard sides must keep clear. Okay, so I give it to the next person.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Izulna. Let me start analysis of responsibilities. We have a few questions we want to ask this scenario. First question is, which vessel was the giveaway vessel and which was the stand-on vessel? First of all, we have two vessels. First one is Sea Horizon. First of all, giveaway vessel approaching from the starboard. The other hand, Blue Star is stand on vessels. There are relevant rules, like for example rule 15, crossing situation, like when two power driving vessels are crossing, so involves the risk of collision. The vessel which has the other hand on starboard side shall keep out the way and shall, if the circumstances of the case are made, avoiding crossing ahead of the other vessels. Next slide is action for the giveaway vessels. The second question, what action should the giveaway vessel have taken? There is a good question. Also, there is a relevant rule that's the same as the question 1, rule 15, crossing situation. The vessel which has other on her and starboard side shall keep out the way, and if the circumstances of the case are offering crossment ahead of other vessels, like the statement we mentioned before the last question. There's a recommendation actions, like for example, alter course to starboard, take early and substantial action offering crossing ahead Blue Star, maintain safe distance, and ensuring a sufficient separation to prevent closing situation, communication, intention is sound or light signals, especially in rule 34, to clearly confine the intention to Blue Star. Next slide is question 3. Did stand on vessel fulfill its responsibilities under rules? The also relevant rule 17, it's analyze the vessel Blue Star maintains course and speed as required. However, it fails to take efficient action when it's become early that the vessel sea horizon was not compliant. There is a recommendation action we would like to give, like prepare for advanced maneuvers earlier, and second is alter course or reduce speed if collision risk presses. And it's finished for me. I would like to give next presenter.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I the last presenter. My name is Muhammad Izwan bin Saif Azman. Okay, I can present providing the conclusion. Question 4. How could this collision have been avoided? Action by sea collision. The take early and significant action to after cause to start boat as required by Rule 15. Clearly indicate addiction using sound signal. Rule 3.4. All VHF communication. Maintain a safe distance to prevent a close quarter situation. Action by Blue Star. 1 is prepare the evasive action when it become apparent the sea horizon was not taking improved action as required by Rule 17. 2. Alter course or reduce speed to avoid collision. 3. Use sound signal or other means to warn sea horizon of non-compliant. Okay, next slide is listen learned. What is listen can be learned from this incident, recording, looking, and decision making. First is early action prevent collision. Timely manual by the gift was vessel reduce collision risk significant. And to chlorate, flowing chlorate ensure predictable action and safe navigation, particularly in crossing situation. Rule 15, and when taking evasive action. Rule 17. Effective communication and technology as clear communication was sound signal of VHF help clear attention using radar and CPA alarm, enhance situation awareness and support effective decision making. Okay, the lastly is conclusion. The conclusion between Blue Star and sea horizon cause have been avoid through street action. The CLOREGE sea horizon fail as the giveaway vessel by not alternative cost to start boat. How about Blue Star? Maintenance, cost and speed, but cost have taken early. A safe action as the stand of vessel. Important of colorant complaint. Prevent collision by clear responsibility for vessel in all situations. Ensure safety through resting action and to navigation rule. For this order, navigation, promoting trust and communication between vessel. Closing remark. Strict entry to CLOREGE is essential for navigating safe and harmonious. Okay, thank you.